Welcome to another video. Today we will be looking at multiplying fractions and mixed numbers following three simple steps. First, we're going to change the mixed numbers to improper fraction, and then we're going to cancel and or multiply across, and then we simplify if needed. Example 1, 3/5 times 4/8. So we have nothing to cancel, so we're going to multiply across. 3 times 4, 12. And 5 times 8, 40. And this can be simplified. We could use a common factors and continue to simplify until we reach a simplest form. But we can just go ahead and use the highest common factor, which is 4. So we divide by 4, divide by 4. 12 divided by 4, 3. And 40 divided by 4, 10. So 3/10 is our final answer. Next, 2 3/4 times 2/5. So we're going to change the mixed number to improper fraction. And we remember how to do that. 4 times 2, 8, plus 3, 11. 11, and we keep the same denominator, times 2/5. Now we look to see if anything can cancel, and yes, we can cancel that. 2 divided by 2, 1. So we can go ahead and divide both 2 and 4 by 2. That is 1 and then 2. And now we multiply across. 11 times 1, 11. And 2 times 5, 10. So we have 11/10. Now we're going to change back the mixed number. We're going to change by the improper fraction to mixed number. And we are going to divide. How many times can 10 go into 11? And that is 1 time. And the remainder is 1. And that becomes the numerator. And we keep the same denominator. So our final answer is 1 and 1/10. Next, change improper fraction to change mixed number to improper fraction. 3 times 4, 12. And 2, 14. Over 3 times 2 times 2. 2 times 1 is 2. And 1, 3 over 2. And we can do cancellation, divide by 3, divide by 3. Then I'm going to divide 2 divided by 2, 1. 2 divided by 14. 14 divided by 2, 7. Multiply across, and that is equal to 7 times 7. 7 times 1, 7. And 1 times 1, 1. And that is equal to 7. And there you have it. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video.